Are you or someone you know taking Lorazepam? You need to hear this before your next dose. Lorazepam, often known by its brand name ativan, is a powerful medication. It's frequently prescribed for serious anxiety, insomnia, and even seizures. But like any strong drug, it comes with risks you absolutely need to understand. Today, we're diving into its main uses and three crucial side effects that could impact your health. Imagine feeling completely calm and relaxed, a relief from overwhelming panic. That's the immediate effect lorazepam aims for by slowing down brain activity. It's very effective for short-term relief, like before surgery or during an acute anxiety attack. However, its effectiveness hides a dark side, especially with prolonged use. First, there's the risk of dependency. Your body can quickly get used to it, making it hard to stop without withdrawal symptoms, like rebound anxiety, tremors, or even seizures. It's like your brain forgets how to function normally without it. Second, prepare for significant drowsiness and impaired coordination. Simple tasks like driving or operating machinery become dangerous. This isn't just feeling sleepy, it can be profound sedation. Lastly, and perhaps most concerning, are the memory problems. You might find yourself forgetting recent events, or even entire conversations, especially with higher doses. This temporary amnesia can be incredibly disorienting. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they're serious considerations for anyone on this medication. Always discuss these with your doctor. So, while lorazepam offers vital relief for specific conditions, remember the balance between its benefits and these three key risks: dependency, severe drowsiness, and memory issues. Click here to learn more about managing anxiety effectively.